In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a color in Photoshop using the image adjustment feature, replace color. So what you can see here is a photo I took of an eagle at Ocean Shores, Washington. And just for this example, maybe we want to change the sky to a different color. Maybe we want it more of a sunset color. So what I'm going to do first is duplicate the background by right-clicking and choosing Duplicate Background, or Control or Command J to do a quick duplicate. That way I'm not messing with my original. So you access the Replace Color adjustment by clicking on Image, Adjustments, and Replace Color. Now I'm using Photoshop CC, but this should be pretty much the same for any versions going back at least to CS3, maybe 2, but I know those versions do it. Okay, so I have my Replace Color window open here, and this dropper says that it wants you to pick out the first color. So maybe I'll pick out this shade of blue right here. Just click on it. Now if you want to add colors to it, maybe I want to add the side colors here. Click on the plus, the add to sample. So I'll get some of the dark, and as you can see, this shows where it's where the color is being pulled from. And say I accidentally click on the white, well that just picked way too much, so I'm going to click on the minus and click on the white so it deselects it. I'm going to click on the eagle's head and on this up here because we don't want this to be included in it. So we'll go back and just making sure we choose shades of blue. Now this fuzziness slider here, it allows you to choose how much of that color you want to use. If you want to use very little, you can slide it down to the left, or if you want to do almost all of it, you can slide it to the right. Now the cool thing about this is you can always adjust it as you're changing the color. So for now I'll just leave it probably right around 100. You can see the cloud is going to be excluded, the eagle and the tree are going to be excluded, and this edge here, I want to make sure I get that blue, so I'm just going to click there. So that should be pretty good. Now there's a couple ways you can adjust the color, and the way you do that is down here. You can adjust the hue, saturation, and lightness to get different results, or if there's a particular color that you'd like to get to, click on Result, and it'll bring up your color picker, or you can use a Pantone color if you have a particular one that you want to use. And just real quick, say you want red 386, just type in 386. Oops, that's not right. Well, you get it. So you can just type in the number that you want. So there you go. That's what I meant, 186. So that's one way you can do it. Or you can use your picker and just choose kind of different colors here. And then you can move the fuzziness bar up to increase it or down to decrease. Now if you pay attention to right here as I slide it, you'll see that the branch does change color a bit. So just be mindful of what you're working with. Another suggestion I would make is to just create a selection. So maybe you want to just select the background and refine the mask. There's a bunch of different ways you can do it. So just find what works best for you. This is just one of many ways that you can do this. And as you can see, just adjusting saturation and everything, and you can make the sky just look more saturated. That could be something too. You can check and uncheck the preview box. So you can see there's not much of a difference there, but if we pop it up there, there you go. So that is how you use the replace color adjustment in Photoshop. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out my website at sallyu.com and have a great day. Thanks so much for tuning in today.